Hello. Today's lesson is about locating the white keys and the black keys on your piano or the keyboard. If you look at your piano or keyboard, you notice that there are the white keys and the black keys. If we look at the black keys, you notice that they come in groups of 2s and 3s. I'd like you to practice locating the 2 black keys and the 3 black keys. The 2 black keys and the 3 black keys. You should be able to locate the white keys on your piano and keyboard now, as well as the black keys. And for the black keys, you should be able to locate the 2 black keys and 3 black keys on your piano or keyboard.